This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a minimal checklist: account, extension, and project. Sign into GitHub inside VS Code so Copilot Chat can access your repo context. This matters because it pulls code patterns and your workspace files. Once signed in, open the project folder and launch the Copilot Chat pane. Make sure to set the language or framework context so prompts target the right syntax. Now you have the baseline. The tool is connected and ready for targeted contextual assistance. You now focus on how to ask. Start each prompt with a clear intent, say refactor or add feature, because Copilot Chat prioritizes actions. Then paste a relevant snippet or error so it knows the exact context. This reduces hallucination and speeds accurate replies. Once done, request a two-step deliverable: an approach summary first, then the code changes. Make sure to ask for tests or edge case handling. That forces safer, verifiable suggestions and helps you review faster. You finish by applying suggestions safely. Create a branch, paste or accept the proposed diff, and run linters plus unit tests to verify behavior. If results diverge, iterate, ask Copilot Chat for adjustments, explain failing cases, and request performance or complexity notes. If it gives incorrect output, provide a minimal failing test and the reproduction steps, then ask explicitly for compact diff. One key tip: when responses are off, narrow context and demand exact patches to reduce ambiguity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.